Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What we have here is a drone designed with accessibility and safety in mind, featuring a sleek black finish and a size that makes it quite manageable, measuring in at about 11.41 by 2.16 by 11.41 inches. This particular model comes equipped with a dual camera setup, advertised as 4K HD, which is great for capturing detailed aerial perspectives. While the video capture resolution is specified at 1080p, it still delivers clear footage, and the effective still resolution is a solid 12 megapixels, allowing for crisp photos from above. One of the standout features of this drone is its visual obstacle avoidance system. This is a significant addition, especially for those new to flying, as it helps prevent collisions by detecting obstacles in its path, adding a crucial layer of safety to your flights. It's a feature that provides peace of mind, letting pilots focus more on getting the perfect shot or exploring the skies. For stable and precise flight, the drone utilizes both GPS and optical flow positioning. This combination ensures that it can hold its position reliably, whether you're flying outdoors with GPS lock or indoors where optical flow helps maintain stability. This dual positioning system contributes significantly to a smooth flying experience, making it easier to control and maneuver. Controlling the drone and receiving live video feedback is possible over a considerable distance. It boasts long-distance control capabilities and HD image transmission reaching up to 1,200 meters. This range allows for expansive exploration and capturing views from far away, while keeping a clear picture of what the drone sees. Powering the flight is a modular smart battery. This design makes swapping batteries quick and easy, minimizing downtime between flights. Each battery provides an average flight time of around 18 minutes. While not the longest duration available on the market, having a modular system means you can easily extend your flying session by having spare batteries ready to go. Overall, this drone positions itself as beginner-friendly, offering features like app control for intuitive operation and the aforementioned safety and stability systems. It's a package that includes the drone itself, a battery, and a bag for transport, making it a ready-to-fly option for adults looking to get into the world of aerial photography and videography with some advanced features like obstacle avoidance built in.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.